Decrease in demand and tax revenue, an increased demand for substitute or inferior goods is the consequences of taxes in the long term. Time gives people an opportunity to change their behavior based on prices and taxes. Demand for goods, actions, or services that are taxed will decrease in the long term. People will find alternatives to whatever is being taxed because the tax has led to an increase in the price. Demand will go down because the price has gone up. Tax revenue will also begin to decline for whatever is being taxed over the long term. Because demand is going down for the good, action, or service that is being taxed, less people will purchase. Less people purchasing will lead to fewer taxes being collected on the good, service, or action. Taxes will lead to an increase in demand for substitute goods or inferior goods in the long term. People will purchase goods that they can use in place of the good that is being taxed. They may also purchase a lower quality good in place of the good that is being taxed. This will lead to more demand for those types of goods. Let's pretend the government places a $1 tax on all beef in the United States. Over time, people will consume less beef. This will cause the government to collect less tax money on the beef. People will simply consume fewer pounds of beef. With fewer pounds of beef being consumed, fewer taxes are collected. Instead of consuming beef, people will look for chicken as a substitute because it's not being taxed. They also may consume hot dogs made of pork, which would be considered an inferior good. That demonstrates the increase in demand for substitute or inferior goods. The long-term consequence of that dollar tax on each pound of beef is lower demand for beef, lower tax revenue from beef, and an increase in demand for chicken and pork.